Man, I've had some pretty big trucks in my shop before, but this one definitely takes the cake. This is a 2019 Ford F250 Superduty, and it's on some big boy Plan B lift, Plan B fabrication. Apparently they're out of Orlando or something. I don't really know anything about that type of stuff, but it's expensive and it's pretty and it's cool. And so the client originally came to me to have me do his audio system, which I did not want to do, but I ended up kind of being tricked into that anyway. So I did the wiring on this, but ultimately what we're here to talk about today are the rock light setup, because we wanted to illuminate all of this beauty. All right, so I got a flashlight now, and I'm going to show you, these are the rock lights that I have in the wheel well. It's the profile rock lights. So they're the super big boys, a 2¼ inch diameter, and this is that super awesome, like kind of flush mount style mount that I love to do, where I can actually mount them from the back side. As you can see, we've got ones up on the front right there, and right there, there's 2 on the front, 2 on the rear, 2 on the sides, 2 per wheel well, and all of them are drilled and machine screw mounted. So drilled and tapped, and all the holes are threaded. So everything's serviceable. You can see right here, this is my wire run that goes across the front. So basically the whole passenger side of the vehicle runs across right there. Over here to the side, la-da-da, I built these super cool brackets. It's really just angle iron that I cut to shape and then drilled and threaded holes. So again, machine screws and machine screw in there. And so the only thing I didn't do is that right there, but I did all that wire run all along there, just in case anyone wants to get up underneath this truck, you know, because you're looking at this cool lift, so maybe they will. And I want to make sure that they can see some good quality work that's in there. As for in the rear, since Ford doesn't use fender liners, it's just metal there. Those are mounted like so. They're actual sheet metal screws with some Loctite on them, because this is aluminum sheet metal. And the wire, as you can see, it goes through a little grommeted hole, and then it goes to where it needs to be. And again, we have 2 per side. And then underneath the rear of the truck, we've got 1 right there and 1 right there as well to showcase this beautiful rear end. Everything along this side is going to be the same as the other side that you just saw. And so now let's turn these bad boys on. All right, cool, it's on, it's a party. All right, so the way that I've got this wired up is everything comes to a central location that's hidden up inside of this general vicinity. So if I need for expansion, it's going to be easily serviceable, and I like that sort of design. The 8 rock lights that are on the frame lighting, that is on 1 single channel, so currently those are all blinking green. And then the rear of every wheel well is on another channel, so they're currently blinking blue. And the front of every wheel well is on another channel, currently blinking on red. So that was a quick, easy demonstration of RGB. But of course, we can put all of them together, put them on solid color, and so they're all some sort of shade of green right now, right? Ta-da! Really super silly bright. I mean, obviously this is the middle of the day right now, and they're lighting up real well. And let's see, we can just put that on the color fade. There you go. So you can see how that illuminates out. The ground, super even light distribution. All of the components of the suspension are well illuminated, so we like that. Same goes for here. Really, really even, awesome distribution. That's why I really like these rock lights, because they just spread so well. Especially when you can jam this many, then you just get a good even glow. And what I'm gonna do to really kind of showcase this off, I took some video last night when I finished this bad boy up, and I'll just overlay that with some cool little audio, and you can see it at night. But this is showcasing the install itself, and that is what I am most proud of. It is a super badass truck, and I really look forward to having some future work with this dude. He's a cool dude too. pricing and product information is going to be in the video description. Don't ask me anything about where he got any of these components as far as the lift or the grill or the this or the that. I don't know. I did the lights, and that's what I can talk to you about. If you want some rock lights for your own truck, by all means, give me a call. This is 13. I'll talk to you later. See ya.